In this video, I will show you how to update the PHP version in WordPress. Before you actually start updating the PHP version, there are a few things that you have to ensure. First of all, ensure that you have a backup of your website. For that, you can use a lot of plugins. You can use the server-side backup, or you can use plugins like Updraft Plus or All-in-One WP. Also, check your server. If you are using a server from Siteground, Pressable, Flywheel, or Cloudways, always check your server and then ensure that you have updated all the themes and plugins on your website. Once you will ensure all of these things, then you are basically ready to update your website. So let's just start by updating the PHP version on the SiteGround hosting. So on the SiteGround hosting, you have to log into your SiteGround hosting panel. From here, you will have to click on this devs option right here, and under the devs option, you will find this PHP manager. Once you will find the PHP manager, from here you will find this PHP setup. Here you can see ultrafast PHP, and here you will find your domain, and here you will find manage PHP settings for your domain name. Now here you will have to click on this shiny pencil icon. You will find the current PHP version right here, and once you will click on this shiny pencil icon, from here you can pick your own PHP version. You can select the latest PHP version, and then it will basically update your PHP version in the SiteGround hosting. Now, for example, if you are using the Flywheel hosting, in the Flywheel hosting, you have to log into your account. Once you will log into your account, from here, you will have to log into the site panel. Once you will log into this kind of site panel, from here, you can basically select your domain. Once you will select your domain, here you can see you have this option where it says PHP version 7.4. Here you can click on the PHP version. Right here you can see it says 7.4, and then by clicking here you can just select the latest version and it will update the PHP version. Now let me just walk you through the Cloudways hosting. So in order to update the PHP version in the Cloudways hosting, what you actually have to do is to log into your Cloudways account, and from here you will have to click on these servers. And once you will click on these servers, then you will have to basically click on your server right here. You will find your server right here. So click on your server, and after you will click on your server, from the server you will have to click on settings and packages. Then just select the packages option, and under the packages option you will find PHP version. Right here you can see it is set to as 7.4. You can change the PHP version to the latest updated version, whichever you will find, something like this. So you can pick 8.1, 8.2 or any kind of version. It will give you a warning sign, so always click OK, and then it will update the PHP version. Now at the last, let me show you how you can update the PHP version in the cPanel. So if you are using a GoDaddy hosting or the Namecheap hosting or any hosting that gives you a cPanel, from here you have to log into a cPanel, and once you will get logged into your cPanel, here you will have to find the softwares. From the softwares, what you can basically do is to search for select PHP version, and once you will click on select PHP version, from here you will find the option to update the PHP version of your website. And this is basically how you can update the PHP version. Now let's talk about what if something breaks. What if something breaks, then what you actually have to do is to ensure that you have a staging website. If you don't have a staging website, just talk with the hosting support and they'll quickly fix it for you, or you can roll back the PHP version and it will fix your problem. There are some additional steps that you can take. First of all, disable all the plugins and see if your website loads fine. If that doesn't fix it, then change your theme. If that doesn't fix it, then view your error log file. And that is basically all the steps that you can take to ensure if something got broken, you can fix in this way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.